Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this business tools platform, which is Vagaro. So let's dive into it. Talking about Vagaro, Vagaro is a powerful all-in-one platform for salon, spas, and wellness businesses. It offers online booking, client management, payment processing, payroll, and even marketing tools all in one place. The system is easy to use. The features like automated reminder and integrations that help business owners save times and stay organized. For growing businesses, it's a wide range of tools which make it a very practical solution. On the downside, Vagaro can sometimes feel overwhelming due to the numbers of features and some user reports occasional glitches with scheduling or payment. Customization option can be limited and its support may not always be consistent. In conclusion, Vagaro is great choice if you want an affordable all-in-one tools to manage and grow your salon or wellness business, but those who want simplicity or deeper customization may prefer a more streamlined alternative. And that's it. Hope you find the review helpful. If you did, turn on the revision button and subscribe for more reviews.